Eureka made one of our favorite home espresso grinders even better with the new Oro Mignon XL. This similarly sized compact grinder competes with commercial grade grinders in speed, accuracy of grind, and build quality like the Atom 65, all while maintaining the features most beneficial to the home barista. Hi, I'm August with Clive Coffee, here with a quick overview of this new streamlined Eureka grinder, the Oro Mignon XL. With large 65mm flat stainless steel burrs and an upgraded motor speed of 1,650 RPM, grinding is quicker, the grounds produced are fluffier, promoting better extraction and reducing your risk of channeling. You can say goodbye to your excess distribution methods and trust the Mignon XL to simplify your routine, improve your shots, and increase your overall consistency. While grinding 20 grams of coffee in about 6 to 7 seconds, Eureka still managed to keep its signature nearly silent grinding and single dosing capabilities. You can expect the Oro to feel similar to the other grinders in the Mignon line. It has nearly the same footprint, measuring 15 inches tall, 4.5 inches wide, and 7 inches deep. It's worth noting, if you have a low counter clearance, it's an inch taller than the other Mignon grinders. The Oro uses the same hopper with a 300 gram capacity, as well as a programmable touchscreen display with intuitive timed dosing features. Retention is extremely low, and the large adjustment knob makes fine-tuning espresso and recipe repeatability possible. If you're looking to replicate shots from your favorite cafe, but want to keep space and noise to a minimum, this is a great option. The Eureka Oro produces a smooth, balanced espresso which complements any milk-based beverage. For those who value consistency, quality, and simplicity, this checks all the boxes for better coffee at home. Thanks for watching.